1219, we've got the PWHL. That is literally just easy money at that point, the extra stuff. Again, the Celebrini goes for like 100 to 150 US. So Will Smith, I think, was about 80 to 100 US. Alright, let's see how we go here. Start off with the Young Guns of Zoom Winkle. Probably the best name so far in all of PWHL for Minnesota. We've got a Dazzlers of Watts for Ottawa. Watts. We've got a Downey Landry for New York. Portraits. We've got a portrait of Hensley for Minnesota. Young Guns of Carpenter for New York. Carpenter for New York. We've got an Outburst Silver of Keller for Boston. Outburst Silver, Young Guns, Keller. We've got a Portraits to 299 of Shelton for New York. Shelton for New York. We've got a portrait of Dalton for Montreal. Dalton, Montreal. We've got number to 100 exclusives for Toronto of Campbell. Campbell. Young Guns for Montreal, Marie-Philippe Poulet. And again, guys, I do highly recommend getting these ones graded. All the Young Guns, the Outburst Silvers. You guys will, there's not going to be many graded ones on the market. So, even that alone, guys, you will capitalize massively on. Throwing that out there. Young Guns of Keller for Boston. And we've got, ooh, number to 10, high gloss for Minnesota of Bookbinder. Or Boochbinder. 10 of 10. Sweetness. Well, we got a Portraits, an Outburst Silver Young Guns, and a high gloss out of 10 in one box. So good. All right, well, we got a Dazzlers of Adzija for Boston. Adzija. We've got number to 250 of Panic for Minnesota. Minnesota seems to be the strong team, at least from what I've been opening. We've got a portrait of Stacy for Montreal. We've got a Young Guns Outburst, Natalie Spooner for Toronto. Spooner. That's pretty sweet. Congrats to Toronto on that one. Young Guns of Ambrose for Montreal. Aaron Ambrose. Young Guns of Hughes for Ottawa. We've got a Dazzlers for Toronto of Miller. Too many times I've done that now. We've got a deluxe number 250 of Downey Landry for New York. We've got a portrait of Shelton for, or is it New York? Portraits. Shelton. Why? Why did it do this to me? I'll do that one after. Dazzlers of Clark for Ottawa. Young Guns of Spooner for Toronto. And I got this thing to work on now. Sorry guys, sometimes the way the pack rips, it doesn't rip it down the middle, and then it leaves me very little to open up. I'm gonna have to. And we've got a Dazzlers for Toronto of Leslie. There we go.